Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah. Oh, that's landing on the track, run that shit back.
Today I will be doing the crochet method with my locks just because one, I don't feel like going to get my hair done right now, and two, I've done the crochet method before with locks and I liked it a lot. It was kind of hard keeping them in because I didn't really do them right, but I know how to correct that now, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again. I personally like locks over braids on me just because braids kind of just, I don't know. I don't really like how braids look on me, but locks I absolutely love on me. I'm gonna probably have them in for like a month. You guys are going to see how I wash my hair and get ready for putting the locks in, what oils that I use or started using. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I will see you when I'm about to wash my hair. These lights in here are just awful. The hair that I am using is Nubian Lock. It's from Urban Beauty. I have a variety from 1B to 27. This is the 27. I just needed one new pack of these. All the rest of the locks are just in my room right now. I'm gonna put them in tomorrow instead of tonight just so I can give my hair time to air dry and everything. I don't want to put heat on my head right now. I went ahead and bought a bigger bonnet because the one that I have is like extremely small. My original bonnet right here, it's kind of small, works for this. So I'm going to first show you guys what I use for hair growth, and then I'm gonna go into a length check before I put my locks in. I know in one of my last videos I said that I was going to do a review, a 1 month review, but I just really cannot wait to put these locks in. So I'm going to do a length check now, and then I'm gonna do a 2 month review on using all the hair growth products that I am using. For hair growth, what I am using right now, just a mixture of oils, castor oil, hair oil right here, olive oil, and coconut oil all in this one bottle. I use it more than I use Wild Grow that I have. I don't want to use too much of it because this is like $9. I've heard a lot of good things about this virgin hair fertilizer. Hair growth gummies from Nature's Bounty, hair, skin, and nails gummies with biotin in it. These taste so good. And then I have rice water here. What I'm going to be using in the shower is conditioner. And then I'm going to be using Proclaim Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I use African's Best Moisturizing Shampoo with Conditioner, Deep Penetrating Moisture, Protein Enriched, Cleans and Conditions. After the shower, I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. Just something to moisturize my hair with. I might put a little bit of this Lotta Body with Coconut and Shea Activate Me Curl Activator. And then when I am detangling my hair in the shower, I'm going to be using this Denman brush. Well, it's a fake Denman brush, but you know, it still works just like one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where my hair is right now. My hair is at 8 inches right now. I look crazy. So now I'm just gonna go in with my moisturizers and my oils, detangle my hair. So first I'm gonna go in with my oils. I'm gonna go in with my oil mixture right here. Alright, so now that that oil is in there, I'm gonna go in with my Wild Grow. So I do use a little bit of my mom's body butter here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. Okay, so I'm done now. I'm just putting this on on, and then put on the dryer. I don't know what brand this is, what it looks like. It's like, put it over your head, attach the straps, and then you fit it to your head size, and you sit under the dryer and chill. My mom's braiding my hair, guys. You see how she caresses the hair? Braided up and everything. I'm going to put the locks in tomorrow just so my hair can dry. I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it is the next morning now. I am gonna go in with a few more product and just so I can really get it through my actual hair before my hair is like put up. So all right, so first I'm going to start off with this part here, and then I'm going to show you guys the back, and then I'm gonna work my way from the back to the front. this much left, which I'm kind of very nervous about because I still have so much to do. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to go buy more, and the hair store is like, I mean, it's not far, but it's just like, I do not want to drive there right now. Guys, so it is a few hours later. My phone died, so I ended up having to buy another pack and used all of it because there was that much missing. So mine are like long, and I did cut it because it was way too long. Like, it was down here before I cut it. This is what it looks like. It's all done. I'm probably going to move some that are in the back to the front. When I did go to the hair store, I did get a few more little hair accessories because I still have some that's left from the last time. And then just a little bit more olive oil since I ran out. Also, I stopped at Best Buy. Not really relevant to the video, but I got a new tripod. I'm so excited. It was like $20. Not that expensive, but all right. That is how the hair turned out. I like it a lot. If you've made it to this part of the video, go ahead and subscribe, because why haven't you done that by now? And also go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see any other hair videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.